What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to add and remove apps on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So if you want to be able to remove some of the applications over here or even add more applications on this list of apps over here, what you want to do is to go ahead and open up the Mi Fitness app on your phone. Make sure that both devices are already connected together, that is your Redmi Watch 5 Active and the Mi Fitness app. As you can see, mine at the top is actually connected at this point. And now what you want to do is to just scroll down and then just click on the system option at the bottom over here. Now you want to click on sort apps. And at this point, if you want to add apps into your Redmi Watch 5 Active, all you just have to do is to scroll over to the bottom to find the applications that are currently not added to your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So I can go ahead and add Alexa, and actually it will be added to my Redmi Watch 5 Active now. And if you actually come over to my Redmi Watch 5 Active, you can literally see that the Alexa app has actually been added to my Redmi Watch 5 Active. Now keep in mind that this is not exactly the same as downloading and installing app into your Redmi Watch 5 Active, but depending on your region, you might actually get more applications from the list of apps over here so that you can actually add into your Redmi Watch 5 Active as well. To remove applications, you want to do the same thing. Just go ahead and click on the remove or minus button on the left hand side. Once you remove it, it will also be removed from your Redmi Watch 5 Active as well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.